Structured query language means SQL. This is most widely used commercial language in most of the RDBMSs. Okay, relational database. Okay, and this is declarative. This is not procedural. So in this SQL, you will mention what you want. You don't have to mention how you want it. Yes or no? See, in SQL, you will mention what you want. This is what you will mention, what you want. You don't have to tell me, you don't have to define how this will be evaluated, that you don't have to define. So basically you just have to say what you want, nothing else. Okay, so you can notice, so you only have to tell what you want. You don't have to give the step by step procedure. Okay, now what it really mean, very nice thing is coming. After some time I will tell you what it really means. Okay, what it really means, that this is declarative and this is not procedural. What it really means, okay, that we will see after some time. Now let's see conceptual evaluation of SQL query. Why I'm calling it conceptual evaluation? Like, what is the reason I'm using this word conceptual evaluation? Okay, this I will tell you after some time. This is very interesting, and here many students have misconception. So this misconception also we will see, but the word, why I'm using this word conceptual evaluation, why this word I'm using, this I will tell you after some time. But let's see the conceptual evaluation. What is the conceptual evaluation? The conceptual evaluation is like this. Okay, you start from where? From, okay, you start from, yes or no? You start from. You start from. Okay, then you go to the where. Then you go to the where. Okay, so first you do the cross product. First you do the cross product. Then you select tuples. Then you select tuples. And then you go to the select clause. And then you go to the select clause. There you select attributes. There you select attributes, or I can say there you project attributes. So this is the conceptual evaluation. This is the conceptual evaluation. Why I am saying it conceptual, this I will tell you after some time. But anyway, this is the conceptual evaluation, that this is going to be the first step, this is going to be the second step, this is going to be the third step. Okay, this is a conceptual evaluation. SQL, one important point. Now, this important point I want to discuss. How we see things and how they actually happen, these are different in SQL. In SQL, how we understand SQL, that is different from how actually happens. Okay, how we understand SQL, that is different from how actually thing happens. For example, tell me why I'm using this word conceptual evaluation, conceptual evaluation. Why I'm using this word conceptual evaluation? This word conceptual, why I'm using this? Okay, see, very simple question I am asking. Very simple question I am asking. If you have a SQL query, here you have select, okay, some select some attribute A, some attribute A you are selecting from table is R, comma, okay, whatever, R, comma, S, and let's assume where, and let's assume where. In this where, let's assume some condition is there. Okay, some condition is there. Some condition is there. Can I say this is the evaluation? Can I say this is how it will be evaluated? Can I say this will be evaluated as this? That first you will do the cross product. Second, you will put the condition. Okay. In this cross product, you will put the condition. You will put the condition. And third, you will project. Okay. Let's call it T. Let's call it T. Okay. Let's call it T. And then you will project A. Can I say this is how it will happen? Can I say this is how it will happen inside DBMS? Inside DBMS. Can I say DBMS will do this? Can I say your DBMS software will do this? If, just think about it, if DBMS will do this, then can you see that will be a dumb DBMS? Yes or no? Just think about it. If the DBMS will do this, can you notice that will be the dumbest DBMS? If DBMS does this, can you think that that will be the dumbest DBMS? People will not even use DBMS software. Yes or no? People will not even use DBMS software. Amazon company, Microsoft company, Google company, they will not even use DBMS software. Is this clear? If you have to do the cross product, just think about it. If you have 10,000 tuples here, 1 crore tuples here, will you, okay, this will take forever. This will take forever. Is this clear? So remember, this is not how things happen. Okay, So this will be the dumbest software. You can notice if this happens, then that is the dumbest. That will be the dumbest DBMS software if this happens. If this happens, then that will be the dumbest software. Is this clear? Did you understand why? So that will be the dumbest software if you are doing the cross product. If you are doing the cross product blindly, if you are doing the cross product directly, then that will be the dumbest software. This is the one reason. What is the second reason? What is the second reason? See, this is the first reason. This is not the evaluation. The evaluation does not happen like this. What is the second reason? Just tell me one thing. You have by hearted that SQL is declarative or procedural? SQL is declarative or procedural? Okay. So if it is declarative, will you tell in which order the things will happen? If it is declarative, will you tell in which order things will happen? So, but here you are telling the order in which things will happen, yes or no? Here what you are doing? Here you are telling the order of things, the order of operations. Isn't it hypocrisy? Yes or no? Here you are telling order of operations. Isn't it hypocrisy? Like you are saying that it is you are saying, you told me that this SQL is, you told me SQL is declarative. You told me SQL is declarative, and now you will tell me what is the order of operations. Isn't it hypocrisy? Isn't it contradiction? Yes or no? Remember your by-hearted point. Remember your by-hearted point. Remember your by-hearted statement. What was that? Your by-hearted statement, that very nice statement you had by-hearted, that SQL is declarative. A very nice statement you had by-hearted, that SQL is declarative, not procedural. Not procedural. Okay. And you were very happy. Your life was very good. You were very happy. You thought you understood this. Yes or no? You thought you understood this, right? Yes or no? You thought that you understood this. Okay. But, did you really understand this? Did you really understand this statement? Now you can notice, if you are saying that this is not procedural, then how can you give the order of operations? Not procedural means you don't have to give the order of operations, right? Yes or no? Okay. No need. Okay. No need to give order of operations. Order of operations. In which order things will happen, there is no need to give that. Is this clear? There is no need to give order of operations. So these are the 2 points. You can notice, first of all, if your DBMS software will do this, your DBMS software, if it will do this, then that is the dumbest DBMS software that people, okay, that exists in the world. Okay, no one will use it, first of all. The second point, you are saying SQL is declarative, but you are also giving the order. You are also giving the order in which things will happen. That is the hypocrisy. That is the contradiction. That is the contradiction. Yes or no? That is the contradiction with your concepts. So tell me. So finally, that is the, now did you understand that this is only a conceptual evaluation? Now did you understand? Now did you understand that this is just a conceptual evaluation? This is just a conceptual evaluation. This is not the actual evaluation. Now did you understand the word meaning of this conceptual evaluation? Tell me, did you understand the meaning of conceptual evaluation? Remember, this is the conceptual evaluation. What it means? It means your output will be same as this. It means you can understand that your output will be same as this. You can understand that your output will be same as this. Your output is same as this. Your output will be same as this. Okay, is this clear? Did you understand this now? Tell me. Your output will be same as this. So remember, this is only giving you, this is only conceptual evaluation. Things will not happen like this. Inside your DBMS software, things will not happen like this. But this is for our understanding. This is for human understanding. Is this clear? This is for human understanding. So when I say conceptual evaluation, you can understand that this is only for our own understanding, human understanding. So when I say conceptual evaluation, that what it means? It simply means that, okay, what will be the output? How humans can, remember how humans can understand what will be the output. How humans can understand what will be the output. Understand in easy way, what is the output. Okay, is this clear? Tell me. So this is only conceptual evaluation. Things will not happen like this. It simply means that we are understanding like this. But the things will not happen like this. So tell me, did you get it? So did you had this misconception? In the background, anything can happen. In the background, things will happen. Actually, in the background, what will happen? In the background, actually, what will happen? In the background, actually, this will happen. See, in the background, what will happen? Let me tell you that in the background, this will happen. The actual story. The actual story will be like this. You will write a SQL query. That SQL query will be converted into relational algebra query. So this conversion will happen. Okay, this conversion will be done. This relational algebra query, this is your query Q1, this is your Q2. Of course, they must be equivalent, right? Of course, they must be equivalent. Else there is no point. This then will be optimized. Now it will be optimized and it will be converted into relational algebra query 3. Of course, they must be equivalent. Okay. Finally, this will give you the output. Tell me, did you get it? This is the background story. Is this clear to everyone? This is what will happen in the background. So now from today onwards, if someone says that this will happen, that from this will happen, okay, then this will happen, then select will happen. Okay, if someone says that this will happen, what you will tell them? This is just a conceptual understanding. Okay, if someone says that this will happen, if someone says this is the evaluation, that is wrong. Okay, that is wrong. This is only conceptually understanding. This is only a conceptual understanding. Okay, for humans. This is only a conceptual understanding for humans. Is this clear? This is only a conceptual understanding for humans, so that we can find out what is the answer. Remember, your final answer will be same as you get answer from this. Of course, this will give you the answer. I agree. Definitely, this will give you the answer. This will give us the correct answer. Okay, this definitely will give us the correct answer. But this is not how DBMS will do. This is not how the DBMS software will do. Is this clear? So this conceptual evaluation will tell me the output. Okay, it tells the output. Okay, and this actual evaluation provides the efficiency. Okay, and this conceptual evaluation, this is not how things will happen. This is not how actual evaluation will happen. Actual evaluation happens. evaluation happens. Okay, this is not how actual evaluation happens. That's it. Okay, tell me, got it? Very simple. So this is a misconception I have seen. So that is the reason I am clearing it. So remember, this is just a conceptual evaluation. Remember this point. Okay, read this statement. Read this. So you cannot. This is conceptual. Conceptually, how this will happen? Conceptually, this will be evaluated like this. Okay, conceptually, SQL will be computed like this. This is just a conceptual. Remember, this is not how. Okay, if you do this, if you actually do this, then what will happen? If you actually do this, then what will happen? This will be least efficient way. This will be least efficient way. Very slow, very slow. So remember, query optimization will help you find more efficient strategy to get the same answer. The same answer you will get. The answer will not change. Yes or no? Conceptual evaluation and the actual evaluation, the answer will be same. Okay, whether you have this or whether you have this, same answer they will give. Answer should not change, of course. Like for example, if I want those bots which are reserved, so tell me what your SQL query will be. So finally you will write this SQL query. Very simple. Now, in the conceptual evaluation, this will happen. In the conceptual evaluation, what is the first step? This is reserve table, this is seller table. So you cannot, this is the seller table. Now, the first step will be cross product. This will be the first step. So the first step will be the cross product. You will do the cross product. What is the next step? The second step will be, you will select the tuples. You will select the tuples. Okay, which tuples will be there? You can notice, you want these tuples you want. You want where RBID should be 103 and this SID should be same as this SID. So in the second step, what will happen? RBID should be, so this step, this will be gone. This will be gone because BID is not 103. Because BID is not 103. So this is gone. Next, you can notice here SID is not same. So this is also gone. Here SID is not same. Okay, because SID is not same, so this is also gone. Next, you can notice here SID is not same, so this is also gone. So finally, only this will be there. Okay, only this will be there in the output. And finally, what is the third step? What is the third step? You will select S name. So Rusty will come in the output. So if you select the S name, this Rusty will come in the output. So this is the conceptual evaluation. Was this fast way? Was this the fast way to evaluate? Was it a fast way to evaluate? The answer is no. Okay. What is the efficient way? Can you give me the efficient way for this query? Can anyone give me the efficient way of this query? First you select BID equal to 103, right? Yes or no? First you select BID equal to 103. Do this first. Okay, the efficient way. The efficient way. The efficient way. What is that? So the efficient way, what that will be? That will be like this. This is the first thing you do. Okay, this is the first thing you do. So if you do this first thing, then you can notice this will be gone. If you do this first thing. Okay, what is the second thing you will do? The second thing, you take the natural join. The second thing, you will take the natural join. Okay, this is the second thing you will do, where you will take the natural join. Okay, because only one attribute is common. Because only one attribute is common. This SID is common, equality of SID. So you will do the natural join. And this is the third step you will do. And then this is the third step you will do. Okay, this is the third step you will do. So this is the efficient query. Tell me, did you get it or not? Isn't it interesting? So remember, this is how DBMS will actually do. This is how DBMS will actually do. So I hope you got it.